How can I change my privacy settings on WhatsApp?
You can adjust your privacy settings to control who can see your information and contact you. By default, WhatsApp sets your privacy settings to any user can see your profile photo, read receipts, and when you're online. Your contacts can see your status updates about information and when you were last seen. Any users can add you to groups or mention you in a status. The default message timer for disappearing messages is turned off. Unknown callers will be able to call you. To change who can see your last seen and online, profile photo, about information, status updates, or add you to groups, tap More Options Settings Privacy. Tap the privacy setting you'd like to change. Select Everyone, My Contacts Except, or Nobody. In your privacy settings, you can also change the following settings. Change your read receipts, set your disappearing messages on or off by default. Silence unknown caller, turn off live location sharing. Advanced settings, such as how to protect your IP address in calls, disable link previews, and the ability to block high volumes of unknown messages from unknown accounts. Alternatively, you can change your privacy settings through Privacy Checkup. If you want to learn more about WhatsApp, follow the playlist in this channel.